Hey, what's up guys? Felix here. Back in 2018, I uploaded a video showing you how I fixed the heating problem I had on a Samsung dryer. Well, today I have another Samsung dryer, same model, same everything, and it's giving the same problem. I know on the other video I uploaded, I was a bit shaky on the camera, so I wanted to make the same video a bit more professional. So here we go. Maybe this time I can do it better so you guys can see a better video on it. So here we go. Just letting you know now, the part that usually goes wrong on it is called the heating element, and the other one is called the thermostat. Both are located down here, which I'm going to show you how to open it. Don't worry, it's really easy. I put a flashlight so you can see better. So we have to remove these two screws, one that goes right here, and then the other one that's right here. Once you remove those two screws, you can already lift this part up. And right here you have to lift this part up, be careful. Okay. And just put it like this in the side. That's perfect, just put it like this. Alright, now here there's 6 screws we have to remove. There's 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna fast forward and I'll be removing those 6 screws. Once you remove those 6 screws, you can already open this part up, but you have to press this and pull up and take it out, and the same thing goes on this side. Be careful, there's still a cable here that you have to remove, so just be very careful and remove it from here. So here it is. You just have to pull out and it comes out. You can just lift this up. Close this. Put it somewhere safe. Alright, now once you remove the door, this is what you see. Mine is really dirty, so give me a second. I'm gonna vacuum this up so it can look nice and clean. Alright, I ended up cleaning up a little bit. This looks better. So now we have to remove 5 screws. There's those 2. We have to remove this one too. Now these are the 2 in the back that are gonna give you trouble to remove. So let me show you. You go here, and it's those 2 screws, as you cannot put your head here so you can see, so you gotta go by feel. So yeah, you gotta remove those 2 screws as well. I'm going to be using something like this, so it'll be easier for me to put it there and remove it. And I might put my iPhone there with the camera on so I can see what I'm doing. I suggest you do the same, and that way it'll be much easier. I'll show you what's next. Alright, I'm gonna try putting my GoPro all the way inside here so you guys can see. I don't even know if you guys can see good, but probably. Let me remove my Apple Watch. Okay, got the first one out, not too bad. Now let's try the other one. On this next one, it's really easy if you use a small Phillips screwdriver, and using a phone really helps. Like in this case, I'm recording right here with my iPhone, and if you put it right here, I mean, you can, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put this hand on this side, and then with the phone right here, show you. Yeah, right here now you can see I'm doing this through my iPhone's camera. I can see what I'm doing. If I didn't have the phone recording, I couldn't see anything. So doing it like this is super easy. All right, now here you can just already pull this side up. Yeah, this bracket goes off, just put it somewhere safe. And we can remove this. Just bring it here, do not break anything. These cables on the way, I think it's better if you remove it. It's really easy, one of those press and pull. You just put it somewhere where it doesn't bother you. Now at this point, we're going to be removing 8 screws, which is this one, another one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right here. I forgot to mention, it's very important you disconnect your dryer before doing anything else, just so you don't get electrocuted. So alright, I'm going to be removing those 8 screws. I'm gonna fast forward. Alright guys, this is called the heating element. This is what usually goes bad. And then there's this thermostat, which is another thing that can go wrong on it. So what you have to do right now is you have to inspect the heating element to make sure it's not broken. Like you can see this spring, you can just follow it all the way through, and if you see that it's cracked in a way, or like if you see that it's cracked somewhere, then you know your problem is the heating element. If you inspect everything, like all of this, and everything is good, then most probably your problem is the thermostat. So in this case, I'm going to be inspect this right now. So what you have to do is get it disconnected from here. So just pull the red cable, don't cut yourself, and then you can just pull this part out. And same thing goes with the bottom one, the blue one. You can just pull and then just pull it from here. And there it is. Now I'm gonna take like 5 minutes to inspect it and see if there's any cracks on it. So alright, I just finished inspecting it and it looks good. There's no cracks on it. So I'm guessing that this part is still good, and my guess is that this is the bad part. But I'm going to be replacing this anyways. I mean, the price is not too expensive to replace. I'm going to be putting a link down below in my description where you can buy it. It's a good price. I mean, you can just buy this part by itself or the bundle package. It's not too expensive. I get a small commission if you end up buying one, so you can help me that way. But yeah, my guess is this is the bad part. You can use a multimeter just to double check which part is the one that doesn't work, but I don't have one right now. So I'm just going to buy the package deal that comes with everything in one, and I'm just going to be replacing everything. That way my dryer can last me another 3 or 4 years. And to put everything back, just follow the same instructions backwards. Make sure everything is connected. Make sure you connect this cable that we removed right here too. Nothing too serious, but yeah, it's a really simple way to put back together everything. So that's pretty much for this video. It was just a quick video showing you how to remove this part and how to replace them. To remove this is really simple. Just remove this screw that's here, and that's it. This part will come out and you can replace it that way. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please leave a big thumbs up down below. Comment, let me know what you think. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace.